So yes guys, as you have read from the title of this video, or as you have seen from the thumbnail, thanks to Binance Launchpools, I have made passive income of $300 in 2 months of consistently participating Binance Launchpools. Binance Launchpool is a section or platform on Binance where holders of crypto can use their existing crypto portfolio, i.e. FDUSD and BNB, to earn new tokens on the platform. You have existing tokens in your portfolio. These existing tokens allow you to get new tokens on Binance. It's basically like planting seeds in a digital garden. You help support new crypto projects, and in turn Binance rewards you with the seeds project tokens. This is how I could make $300 of passive income in literally 2 months. In the last few months, Binance has launched a couple of launch pools, and I have been riding the wave consistently, guys. I have been part of the launch pool space for quite some time, but this is the first time I have been consistent in participating in the launch pools. I participated in the alt layer as well. This launch pool was ending on 25th January. I received 35.07 alt tokens, and currently they are worth $21. However, I sold them. Then I participated in Pixel. This launch pool ended on 19th February. I received 69.69 Pixel tokens. As we speak, they are currently worth $51. Then I participated in the Portal launch pool. This launch pool ended on 29th February. I received 63.81 Portal tokens, currently worth $127. Then I participated in the OVER launch pool, ended on 13th March. I received 22.51 OVER tokens, currently worth $70. Then I participated in the Ethena launch pool. I actually participated in this one late. I could have earned more. However, I received 7.25 Ethena tokens, currently worth $47. This is the Ethena Launchpool. I will be sharing with you all about it in just a bit. However, so far I have gained a total of $316 worth of passive income just by participating on Launchpools consistently. Launch pools are the real deal. The more money you have in your wallet, the more you earn. The existing crypto portfolio determines the amount you're receiving. So I literally decided, you know what, I will put more money in crypto and see how much the pool of my launch pool money grows. And true to it, guys, the more money you have in your wallet, the more you earn. Let me share with you guys the current launch pool, Ethena. It has been the latest buzz on everyone's lips because Ethena has really brought something interesting to the game, guys, and I really want to share with you. Binance Launchpool's 50th project now offers the opportunity for you to stake your BNB and FDUSD tokens to earn Ethena tokens. The farming period started today on 30th March as I'm shooting this video. However, it ends on April 1st. Ethena is a synthetic dollar. It is going to behave or act like a stable asset, but will not be tied to physical cash or banks, meaning as much as it is acting like a stable asset, you cannot compare it to USDT or USDC, which are actually tied to physical cash. USDe is a synthetic dollar collateralized with crypto assets and corresponding short and future positions. You see how when you have USDT, it is backed by a dollar, the Tether Vault, where 1 USDT is equivalent to $1. USDe is now not backed by traditional banks or any physical cash. However, it is still a stable asset. Ethena will mint, or rather provide or create and give you USDe tokens in return. Each USDe token represents $1 of USDT or USDC. $1 of USDT is equal to $1 of USDe, and $1 of USDC is equal to $1 of USDe. The only difference is USDT is backed by physical cash and USDe is backed by Ethereum. My biggest question was, one, how are they able to peg the USDe to $1, and two, how are they able to generate revenue for a USDe holder? Stablecoins that have tried new ideas have terribly failed. Shout out to Luna, their USD token went down under. It has been a very tricky place to be. I can see why this could work, but then again we need to give them time. So let me explain to you how Ethena Labs or Ethena or USDe generates revenue. What is the source of funding for Ethena? One is the USDe investors. You as an investor, when you take your dollar to Ethena, you are providing money. When you deposit your stablecoin, you have given them money that they can use to go and stake for Ethereum. Two, funding. They have secured funding from venture capital firms. Three is their treasury. They have grown their treasury amount from $12 million to over $16 million. How do they generate revenue for you as a USDe holder? One, they stake the Ethereum. So when you guys take your dollars or your USDC to Ethena, they swap them for Ethereum, they stake the Ethereum. They then stake the Ethereum by lending it to Ethereum validators to earn a return or interest in capital. This is the money that will be then transferred to your holders, because your holders are part of the ecosystem of this money. Second way Ethena is able to generate revenue for the holders is when they get your USDT and USDC, right, and convert it to Ethereum, they are now participating in futures trading or futures arbitrage, basically making bets on Ethereum's future price to earn rewards. How is the USDe token able to maintain stability over dollar? A process called delta hedging. Delta hedging is a strategy they have used to eliminate the risk of price movements by having an underlying asset, and in this case Ethereum, the collateral for USDe. USDe is over collateralized, which is a positive thing. Why? Because a lot of Ethereum has already been in existence and has been held in reserve, more than the total value of the USDe tokens in circulation. Basically, there is so much of Ethereum, and if this is your collateral, then USDe is almost quite secure and stable. They've mentioned on their website, buying and holding USDe is not enough. It's buying, holding, and staking your USDe is what will allow you to participate in the yields that USDe will receive. So once you stake your USDe, over time as they generate their revenues, you will see the quantity of your USDe in your wallet grow over time. Currently, I've seen they have an average yield of 35% by buying, staking, and holding USDe in your account. Guys, to learn more about Ethena, peg, arbitrage, collateral, their risks associated, and all the jazz about this project, I will leave a link in my description box down below for you to go read and dive in deep into Ethena. If you don't have an account yet, guys, I'd ask you to create one on Binance. I will share our referral link in our description down below. Feel free to use the link, or if you download the Binance app, feel free to copy paste our referral ID. If you already have a Binance account, log in. Once you log in, ensure to head over to Launchpool, click ENA and stake your coins. As long as you have FDUSD or BNB in your wallet. If you do not have any of these coins, head over to P2P, buy your FDUSD token, then proceed to Binance Launchpool and stake. One of the fantastic things about staking on Binance Launchpool is flexibility. Because you have staked does not mean you have to wait till the farming period to end for you to get access to your money. You can actually unstake anytime you want, and your spot wallet will receive the returned coins. The process is simple, fast, a smart way to expand your crypto portfolio. As you guys have seen, I have expanded my crypto portfolio considerably this year. After the pool closes, Binance will list the coin and open it for trading on 2nd April 11 a.m. East African time. You'll be able to trade Ethena with BTC, USDT, BNB, FDUSD, and Try. What are the benefits, guys, of participating in Launchpool? There are 3 main reasons why I personally took Launchpools seriously this year. One, it's because of the ability to earn passive income. Thanks to consistently paying attention to Launchpools this year, I have earned $300 from them. 2, you get first class seat, okay, on promising new projects such as Ethena. With Binance Launchpool, guys, you're given early access to these projects and it makes you an early adopter of these projects. One of the other reasons why I'd urge you guys to jump on Binance Launchpools is the fact that it's such an easy and user-friendly section on Binance. It is perfect for crypto enthusiasts who are literally beginners, like you just opened your account today, and also for crypto pros like us who have been in the space for God knows how long. I hope these are 3 reasons that convince you to join the Launchpool world. If you have not embarked on this journey of crypto, guys, please open an account on Binance. It's very simple. I will link this video roadmap or a step-by-step journey on how to create your account on Binance successfully. Once you do so, guys, join into this world and start learning about the space. It's really so fun. Kickstart your crypto farming adventure, guys. It's an amazing way to grow your assets and most of all be part of Ethena. Okay, as we wrap up, guys, I want to encourage you to keep exploring, stay curious, and remember the world of cryptocurrency holds unbounded possibilities. To get more information about Binance, Launchpools, investing in crypto, please guys, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and most of all, subscribe for more enlightening content. Now, I want you to get onto the world of Launchpools like right now. So I want you to watch this video right here, and I'll see you there in just a second.